Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1931 Ford Deluxe Roadster. Just a beautiful, beautiful restored to original condition Ford Model A here. Just a beautiful car in blue with the black fenders. Just a fantastic restoration here, as I mentioned, restored to original condition. We'll get into that. It has less than 200 miles since the restoration. But before we get into this beautiful car, just want to tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, on 301 in Sarasota, Florida, as I just mentioned. We're on the corner of Televast and 301, just north of University. We keep over 100 vehicles in inventory. We have, as you see here, several European vehicles, a Porsche Cayman, a Mercedes, a Gazelle kit car, but we also have the good old-fashioned classics. As you see, this beautiful, beautiful 51 Jimmy, and what they call, well, the owner calls root beer. It's brown and little tan vehicle. Couple Mustangs, newer Mustangs, Shelby GT500 KR, Saline, FJ 40, a couple of them here, and then get over to this side of the warehouse and several C3 Corvettes you see, several C2s down there, some newer vets, 2001, Pontiac Trans Am, McLaren, and a couple special edition Vipers that we have in inventory. So we try to keep about 100 cars in inventory, a little of everything. So we have domestic, which is about 85% of the inventory, and then we have a handful of European vehicles, but all price points, all years, all makes. So if you have an interest, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website for this 31 Ford Deluxe or any other vehicles that we have in our inventory. As I scan through this 31 Ford here, if I'm going too fast with the camera, please visit our website, classiccarsofsarasota.com. You will see additional 50 to 75 pictures of the vehicle outside in the sunlight, and so they'll be a little bit easier to see. You'll be able to see how great the blue paint is, the black on the fenders, just a beautiful, beautiful vehicle here that you'll be able to see the pictures of. So let's start with the vehicle. You see it has the step up to get to the rumble seat that we do have closed here, but we'll open that up. Sorry. And it's in, as you can see, this brown leather. It's just beautiful. Just a beautiful addition to this vehicle. And you can see the paint on the back. The paint is absolutely flawless on the vehicle. It does come with a black trunk on the back, which is removable. Some folks like it how it looks with the trunk, some like it without. This does come with it, and you can take it off if you wish. You see the wide white wall tires. It does have the kick step here. Beautiful interior, as I mentioned. The tan. I know the pictures are dark in here, so I do apologize in advance. Please visit the website and you'll see the interior much better with the pictures. The cloth top, as I mentioned, with the entire vehicle is completely restored, so it does have a new cloth top that is in fantastic condition, obviously with it being new. Got the windshields here, again with little graphic flowers. Nice touch. It does come with dual spare tires on the vehicle. Horn, the big headlights, Just a beautiful, beautiful vehicle. Very well done. And the 4-cylinder, 40 horsepower. Does start up and run as the fuel shut off outside here, which is great to get to. Just a beautiful, beautiful vehicle here. If you have any questions on it, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website. If you have shipping needs, please give us a call as well. My front office manager, Kayla, she's been shipping cars for over 9.5 years and can ship this car worldwide, door to door, anywhere you may have the need. This year we've shipped cars to Budapest, Hungary, 2 cars to the Netherlands, 2 to Asia, 2 to Australia, several up to Canada, and again, I think 18 or 19 US states. So certainly can ship this wherever you may have the need. Just give us a call, ask for Kayla, 941-355-1955. If you have financing needs, we can certainly get you financed. We do work with several financing partners that are able to finance cars for you. They focus primarily on classic cars, so we would be able to get this financed. If you have any financing needs, you can visit the website, fill out the application, or give us a call for more information if you have additional questions. Again, just a beautiful, beautiful vehicle here. The engine runs as smooth as it possibly can for a 1931 Ford Deluxe. Like I said, completely restored vehicle here, back to original condition. Paint is in excellent condition. We're very excited. This vehicle just came in and this won't last long. Please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. And I appreciate you listening in to the video and taking time out of your day. Please visit our website or give us a call. Thank you very much.